taking a breath, filling your lungs, keeping you alive. No fear, I'll be your eyes, I'll be your lifeline. And if I can be, I'll be your strength, and it won't be long now. Head up, keep holding your head up, keep holding. If you can see and you believe, why are you so scared? But if you don't care, why are we here? What do you have left? Head up, keep holding your head up, keep holding. Don't you take another step away from here. I will go anywhere with you. What a lie. I'll break down, but you will never see. And tell me, are you happy? Are you really happy? Stay under the tide, stay in my line. I'm looking ahead, there's a chance.